The focus of Social Sandbox is helping early stage pre-concept innovator to see the possibility of making changes in the society. And we, in return, through the program, helping these innovators to become builders.
Whether or not you have an idea in mind, no matter what stage of development you're in, whether it's just a seedling, whether it's something already formed, definitely come to the Social Sandbox because it has been instrumental in the success of my project.
Social Sandbox is for people who really need a point to get started and to have an education and an understanding of how to create redemptive innovation. And if they are looking for connections and support from really real people, that Social Sandbox would be the first place I'd recommend them to.